And in our top business news, it's been announced that Dubai's non-oil foreign trade reached 966 billion dirhams during the first 9 months of 2015. Imports had the biggest share of the overall trade, with a value of 597 billion dirhams, while exports totaled 100 billion and re-exports 269 billion. From January to September, direct trade contributed 603 billion dirhams of Dubai's total foreign trade value, while free zones contributed 340 billion and customs warehouses 23 billion. The impact of declining gold prices was contained by an increase in its traded volume to 1.028 million kilograms in the first 9 months of 2015, as compared to around 977,000 in the same period of 2014. Gold also had the second biggest share in the total value of Dubai foreign trade during the period, worth 92.54 billion dirhams. However, phones and telecommunications equipment came in first, with a 6.3% growth and a 137.6 billion dirham market share. China was once again Dubai's top trading partner worldwide, with a total bilateral trade value of 132 billion dirhams, representing 5.1% growth compared to 2014. India followed in second place at 74 billion dirhams, while the USA came in third with 60 billion. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was the fourth global and top Arab trading partner of Dubai at 45 billion dirhams, with an increase of 11.62% from last year. Emirates Airline has announced that 51.3 million passengers travelled on their flights during 2015, representing a 9% increase over last year. In a press statement, the airline released its 2015 figures, which revealed that the carrier operated around 3,600 flights on average per week. That's over 186,000 flights in 2015 as a whole, travelling at more than 824 million kilometres around the world. The airline also revealed that it served over 57 million meals on its flights departing Dubai and handled over 35 million pieces of baggage in Dubai alone. The airline expanded its network to 150 destinations this year, with the addition of 6 new passenger destinations. They were Bali, Multan, Orlando, Mashhad, Bologna and Sabiha Gökçen over in Istanbul. Commenting on the performance, Tim Clark, the president of Emirates Airline, described 2015 as a year of considerable growth, despite headwinds of regional conflict and volatile consumer confidence in many global markets. As a result of the expected travel rush during the New Year's holiday season, airport authorities have advised passengers to reach airports earlier than usual. Based on their estimates, over 174,000 people, excluding transit passengers, are expected to arrive into Dubai from between the 28th of December and just after New Year's Day, with Sunday the 2nd of January expected to be the busiest day to the start of 2016. Emirates Airport Services expects 103,000 to depart Dubai from the 2nd to the 4th of January. Passengers have been reminded to provide plenty of time for airport check-in and security screenings due to the busy travel period. The Abu Dhabi Global Market, which is the capital's new financial free zone, has put in place another layer of legal infrastructure that's essential for its independent court system. According to local reports, the ADGM announced that it has enacted regulations on civil evidence, judgments, enforcement, and judicial appointments, supporting its existing rules and arbitration regulations. Early next year, the ADGM will be issuing court procedure rules and practice directions. These will provide details of courts' practices, including streamlined and simplified processes, particularly for parties involved in claims before the small claims and employment divisions. The report also added that the chairman of the ADGM, Ahmed Al-Sayer, declared the financial free zone open last month after the final appointments were made to its 3-pillar structure, registrar, regulator and courts. And it will be studying applications from the first batch of financial institutions seeking to do business on the market's site over at Al Maya Island in Abu Dhabi. The new financial centre will focus initially on private banking, wealth and asset management. But it has been designed to retain flexibility to expand its activities according to market demand and cover the full spectrum of financial services. The UAE's automotive sector is showing no signs of slowing down next year, according to a number of reports, including popular website Dubizzle, which revealed that their motoring section received around 7.5 million visitors between January and November this year. Western Auto, one of the top dealers of commercial vehicles in the Middle East, also revealed that the Gulf region's automotive markets continue to be lucrative off the back of new infrastructure projects being launched across the region. Al Habtoor Motors also announced earlier this month that it had outperformed expectations during the first 9 months of the year, recording year-on-year revenue growth of 17%. In regards to next year trends and expectations, experts say that with more and more showrooms opening up here in Dubai, or soon planning to open in 2016, such as Lamborghini's new showroom as well as Bentley Motors, both on the Sheikh Zayed Road, there seems to be no obvious slowing down or precautions being put up by the automobile companies in 2016.